Welcome to the world of post-structuralism, where the foundations of language and meaning are challenged. Post-structuralism questions the reliability of structure in understanding meaning and social reality. Post-structuralism followed the suggestive ideology of structure established through the fabrication of language by interpreting the implications of intellectual construct. To extract meaning from an object being indicated by a text, both the object and system of knowledge that created the object have to be considered. The analytical reasoning is biased upon traditional surroundings of historical sequent occupancy, therefore any structural study could not be trusted as being granted. Even the individuality is constructively dissolving subject by linguistic social cohesion. Professor Ferdinand de Saussure claimed that interpretation is hidden, which is to bring in notice. Language is a establishment that need not necessarily portray social reality. Post-structuralism challenges the idea of structure and questions its reliability in understanding meaning and social reality. Language is seen as a system of signs with both a form and a meaning being constitutive, subsiding social reality. The language being the system of twin signs, the primary element is form, that is sound words which called as signifier, and the secondary element is notion through which form is expression ally linked, known as signified. Interpretation is a central focus in post-structuralism, involving uncovering hidden meanings and questioning binary oppositions. Professor Jacques Derrida introduced deconstruction, aiming to uncover assumptions and contradictions in binary oppositions and emphasizing unequal power dynamics. Professor Jacques Derrida, known for structure, sign and play in the discourse of human sciences, introduced deconstruction that uncover assumptions or contradiction about the binaries like mind/body, positive/negative, literal/metaphorical, etc. Here former term is emphatic over the latter, inferior and therefore unequal binaries that influence our argumentative faith. One ought to analyze a fact inside the realms of that particular fact. Professor Michel Foucault carried out discursive practices associated with knowledge. Literary texts contain multiple meanings, and the reader plays a crucial role in interpretation. The social upbringing and cultural norms of a reader and that of an author are decisive while interpreting a particular publication. Professor Roland Barthes's The Death of the Author discussed literary text various meanings whose post-structuralism encouragement being birth of the reader. Thank you for exploring the key concepts of post-structuralism with us. We encourage you to continue your journey of critical thinking.